How's it going, everybody? Christian L, eatlikeanapex.com here, and Musashi. We're celebrating my mom's birthday. Yeah, all the kids, all the family's here, so we're just gonna kind of enjoy this time here at this Japanese restaurant. It's where the chef kind of cooks in front of you. So hope you enjoy the video. Are you hungry? Well, I sure am. Right now we're taking a group photo. They're taking the group photo right now. What'd you say? Is it what? Is it on?
Yeah? Oh no, don't do that.
She doesn't want to be in the video, she's shy. So as I was saying earlier, we're here at Musashi in Tracy, California. It's a Japanese teppanyaki. We're here celebrating my mom's birthday. Here we go. Alright, over here. Alright, Japanese egg roll. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. We call this a Japanese Instagram right here. Alright. Happy birthday. Japanese heartbeat right here for a birthday girl. That's cool. What he just did was just like make a fried rice or the rice with some of the vegetables and the eggs on top. He called it a Japanese Instagram art. I've never heard of that before. Some of the sauce, that's for the meat and the vegetables when it comes out here. Birthday today.
Make a fire.
Volcano.
Wow.
Alright, oh my eyebrows! Happy birthday for our birthday girl! Yeah, there's some fireworks right here. Japanese fireworks. Happy birthday. So teppanyaki is the actual grilled on the steel surface as he's doing. Yeah, and the hibachi is the actual grill. Him actually grilling that. So that's why. And I like the fried rice here when they cook it on a teppanyaki style. It's probably one of my favorite fried rice ever had, and definitely recommend. Yeah, I'm gonna dump mine in here real quick. Yeah, I'm a really saucy person. Yeah, let me try this here. It gives it more flavor. I mean, the fried rice is good, but still, I mean, that sauce is like, it's hit. Thank you, sir. Happy veggies. Oh, thank you, sir. Oh man, perfect. Yeah, those grilled vegetables.
You know, I gave her for this salamat po.
No, she did not.
Really?
Salamat po. She said salamat po.
She just said that? So my mom gave my daughter Sappy some vegetables, and my daughter said salamat po. Like, I didn't teach her anything like that, and I never said anything. Come up with this stuff. Oh wow, thank you, sir. Thank you. He gave me some shrimp too, even though I didn't order shrimp. That's love right there. And those grilled vegetables, oh, amazing. Just simply amazing. You gotta try that shrimp. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Clear it up. Oh, it's not gonna come. Try that shrimp by itself. Those shrimp, they're so delicious. So I'm adding some of that sauce and the shrimp here. Try just both sauces, why not? Like that. Oh wow. Chase it with some rice.
Yeah. Right now, but you asked her what did you order for?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Here. Oh, yeah. So my brother gave me some volcano roll. Oh, look at that volcano roll. Look at that. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this volcano roll. That was good. Crispy and spicy with bits of sashimi on top of it. Oh. I had that with a fork. I apologize for those of you who would say he had sushi with a fork. I got chopsticks here. Spicy dragon roll. My mom ordered the spicy dragon roll. Here we go. Nothing is disappointing right now. Everything's so good.
Okay, a little louder. Okay, a little louder.
Everything tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sushi.
It's like California roll? Or wait, what's that? It's like a shrimp
With noodles.
with noodles? Like a shrimp roll with noodles? Yeah. Here, try one. So my sister ordered a Captain Crunch. So I'm just kind of trying every piece of sushi these people have. It's kind of falling apart here, but it comes with these little noodle strands here. Little fried noodles. Captain Crunch. Yeah.
Here, try my steak too. About that.
Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes.
It's a good deal. Thank you.
Yes. Let me try it.
Wow. Oh, that's why you're. Wow, so disciplined. That's why you eat your rice, huh? Wow, you're good.
Oh, that steak. Oh, wow. That steak is so tender. I'm telling you right now. It has a tender effect. I got it medium rare. So delicious. I'm going to dip it in the sauce here.
That's the only vegetable we eat, favorite.
I'm going to get a spoon for the rice. Some steak. Share.
So the trick is to keep your eye on the shrimp. It goes up high, okay? So I'll try to give it a little bit. So, okay, 1,
Try out.
2, 3. Oh, so close. So 3. Oh, okay. 3. Rebound. 3. 3. Oh! 3. Why is it moving? 2, 3. Oh! I got it.
How's it going, everybody? I want to go ahead and close off this video here. We came back from Musashi's in Tracy, where we had celebrated my mom's birthday. We had a good time with the family. I definitely want to recommend this Japanese teppanyaki grill if you're in Tracy, because that's kind of like the only, I guess, Japanese grill spots where they cook in front of you. Yeah, definitely recommend it if you're looking for some good Japanese cooking from a chef that prepares the food in front of you. Well, anyways, with that said, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I greatly appreciate that. Just hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on more food video dates. Anyways, with that said, peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications for more food video updates, as I have reiterated that again. Bye.